Hello there.
A Degiro platform walkthrough by SCC Inc. First step would be to log in. If you don't have an account, feel free to watch our previous video on how to create an account, link in the description. Once you have logged in, you will see the following layout entitled Market. The most important feature can be found on the top left corner and will indicate the following: the total in your account, your portfolio, so this is how much you've invested, your cash fund available in your currency, your daily profits or loss, accumulated profits or losses. Moving to the right, you will see orders pending. So this is the pending orders that you have decided to do. Moving to the right, you will see orders pending, your daily transaction, and on the top, you will find the deposit or withdraw button, which allows you to add or remove funds from your account. Below this, you have the different market, such as the Belgium, French, UK, American markets, and a visual graph which can be amended to different time frames. On the side, you have the winners and the losers of the daily market, which can be changed. So for example, in this case, we have the Belle Vente. Scrolling down, you have the currency and the news headlines, which personally at SCC Inc. we don't always find up to date. Finally, you will find the stocks to watch and the raw material market. The next tab is the favorite tab. This will bring up all the stocks or product that you have marked as your favorite, and it shows you their name, their symbols, the listed market it's on, the price, bid and ask price for such stocks, and the stock's values movement in percentage and monetary value. Following this, you will find the portfolio tab. This is where you will find that all your investments are held with the following information: their name, how many you hold, the price and currency, profits and losses of the day, profits and losses since purchase. This is going to become your favorite tab. Next up is the activity tab. This is a basic summarize of all the orders, transaction, and movement that took place in your account. For example, in account statement, you will find all the financial transactions such as fees, dividend payments of your account. Final tab is a product tab, which allows you to search for different product, shares, ETF, obligation, etc. Personally, we at SCC Inc. use the search bar as it's faster. This is all for the Degiro platform walkthrough. If you desire, our next video can show you how to sell and buy shares. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to like and subscribe.